What is biofabrication? Why is spider silk so precious? And what can you do with expert knowledge in the field?
Biofabrication is an engineering discipline at the close border to biology. So what do? We simultaneously process materials and cells in order to regenerate, for instance, tissue, like skin. We make skin replacements. And for that, we need some examples from nature. Spiders provide us with exciting materials that can be used together with cells in order to get new tissue.
The University of Bayreuth is offering the first biofabrication MOOC on edX. Biomaterials and Biofabrication. Design, Engineering and Innovation, stemming from our corresponding master program.
My name is Professor Thomas Scheibel. I'm the head of Department of Biomaterials and I'm the study program coordinator of the master study program Biofabrication.
This MOOC leads you through a storyline of 6 interactive episodes where you follow Emma and Paul, our fictional characters as they explore the world of biomedical engineering.
What we created is a mini-series of videos with actors where we transport our ideas of biofabrication to a broader audience.
We start by presenting different types of biomaterials, followed by defining hydrogels as a preparation for industrial and medical use. With that knowledge, we then dive into additive manufacturing, tissue engineering and bioreactors. This gives you all the ingredients you need to print an organ. But how do you do that? Of course you will get an answer to that question and also learn how to test your 3-dimensional bioproduct. In the last episode, we addressed the future of biofabrication, its potentials and possible bioethical implications. You will learn from international field experts who present highly engaging, application-oriented content that will sharpen your theoretical and practical skills. You will get key insights into the research at the University of Bayreuth and the excellent equipment that is available. So, are you curious about technology and innovation in the medical sector? Then enroll now in the MOOC Biomaterials and Biofabrication, Design, Engineering and Innovation, offered by the University of Bayreuth.